Hello, hi guys, welcome to GJU-Tech. Here we are going to see how to make a TSPSC ID for the first time. You need to enter TSPSC in the Google Chrome. Then you see www.tspsc.gov.in. Please enter on it. You find the Telangana State Public Service Commission website, the official website of TSPSC. Here you see website notification VRO OMRs. Now you're going to see how to make a OTR for the first time. So enter on it website. After you entering into the website, you see a various icons like notification, TRT recruitment, hall ticket, results, keys, OMR download, verification of certificate, selection list. Now here you are getting OTR, that is one time registration for the new and for the edit option. Now if you are new to that, you enter onto new. After entering onto new, you will get a registration form of that thing. That is nothing but a one time registration form. In that thing, you have the first column as Aadhaar details. You are going to enter the Aadhaar number, the 12 digit Aadhaar number. Then afterwards, you're going to enter the same name as on the Aadhaar card. For example, if you have Ramesh, exact Ramesh, you need to enter it. After having that, you're going to provide your basic details. Here also you're going to have an equivalent name in your certificates of any particular education. As we follow the education will be same name in every certificate, so you're going to enter that name. After entering that name, you're going to select your gender, either you are male or female. After selecting the number, you're going to select your date of birth. For example, some May 1 2000. Okay, now you're going to enter your place of birth. Place of birth is very simple. You're going to know where you have been birthed, not your hospital, right? For example, if I select some district called as Hyderabad, in Hyderabad you have various mandals like Ambarpet, Amirpet. For example, if I select Amirpet, or some like Asif Nagar, or some like Charminar, or some like Mushirabad, etc., etc., there has been like that. Okay, after entering to that, you have some called as community. If you are OC, you can select OC. If you are BCA, you can select BCA. If you are BCB, you can select BCB. If you are SC, or you can select SC. If you are ST, you can select ST. Some either. If I select SC, let us. Now you're going to enter your father's name as on your equivalent certificates. Like in SSC, your father name is so and so, like Ram. Something called your mother name, and you are going to select which type of mother tongue you are. If you are Telugu, you Telugu. If you are from Urdu, you select Urdu. If you are Hindi, you select Hindi. Oriya. Okay. After that, you are going to select the religion. To which religion do you belong? Are you from Hindu? Are you from Muslim? Are you from Christian? Or are you from others? You're going to select something, all that. You're going to have this called as identification mark. Identification mark is nothing but where is your mole is. For example, the you say ki you have a mole on your nose, you have mole on your right hand, right thumb, right finger, something like called that thing. These are the two identification marks. You can provide both, or you can provide only single. That's enough. After that, you're going to see some of the beneficiaries of that thing. Like for example, if you are a differentially abled person, you get something called as quota, or some reservation criteria you get. So are you differentially abled person? If yes, press yes or no. Are you an ex-service person? If yes, yes, or else no. Are you retrenched temporary employee? This means that your parents have been in any government sectors in the state. If yes, yes, or no? No. Have you ever worked as an NCC instructor? If yes, yes, no, or no. Are you employed? If student, no, and you can select nothing. Okay. Do you claim examination fees exemption? If you are SC and ST, you claim the examination fee exemption. If yes, yes. If do you belong to, if you belong to any of the age relaxation, for example, if you have something called an NCC or ex-serviceman, you will get age relaxation. If yes, yes, or no, no. Now you're going to enter your address detail for its correspondence. For example, now you're going to select. Here you're only presenting the flat number or the house number or the building number. For example, if I select 1-121-54, something called colony is something called as etiquette. You're going to select the town or city or district. Town is nothing but our Hyderabad. You can specify here like etiquette, where it comes at Ramnagar, like that you can specify here. But the state should be compulsory and the pin code should be compulsory. Some called, I don't know the pin code exactly, that area, but I'm expecting some like 5,45,000. Now you're going to have, if the address of your correspondence is same as it all, you can have this thing. If you enter same as address for correspondence, then all this been filled directly. Then you need to produce your email and mobile number. After that, you are going to enter your education qualification. Firstly, it's important that you are going to enter which type of study you're going. Like for example, if you are regular, you can regular. If you are private student, you can private. If you are from open schooling, many will be open schooling and many will be from private and many will be from regular. So if I be regular, so you're going to select the district. Some called if I study from 1st to 10th from Hyderabad in the same school, you're going to enter the same school name. And here there is a possibility of having that you need to enter every time your school name, or just select paste. First copy that thing, school name, and then keep on presenting. Then you are going to enter all the details. After that, you are going to enter your 10th standard details, that is 10th class district from where you have been qualified, you have been passed. You are going to select this thing, Hyderabad Board of Secondary Education. You're going to enter it. After that thing, you're going to enter your valid hall ticket number, like 15031 some 6532. Okay, your date of pass, at which thing you have been passed in May 2016. Okay, how much you have aggregated, you have scored some 9.3, you can enter everything. After entering it, you are going to have the zonal system. Zonal system is important. For example, if you belong to some of the cities, like if I belong to Hyderabad and I stay in some called as municipal corporation, Secunderabad division of Municipal Corporation of Hyderabad, in the third line of zone 6. So you need to select the district as well as zone for your exact verification. Zone 6, zone 5, others you can enter. Okay, or zone 5 you can enter, because zone 6 you can enter, because in this thing you are getting a Hyderabad district, if you belong from Hyderabad. Then you are going to have your 10+2 details, that is intermediate details. If you are from any board, like you might be in CBSE board, ICSE board, or BIE board, or if you have done your intermediate or 10+2 from different countries also, you can have here. After that thing, you are going to enter your diploma if you have diploma. If you are graduated, you can graduate. If no person is like till he had studied till intermediate only but he is awaiting for the government jobs, it's also fine, because there is a less criterion for those people till intermediate. Everyone is been like till degree is must. So degree is nothing but only graduation. What type of graduation are you going to do? If you have not done PG, left that block empty. If you have not done MPhil, that is Master of Philosophy, please leave that thing. If you have done PhD, leave that thing. If you have done, okay. If you have not done, then leave it aside. If you want to add any other qualification by yourself, then you can add that thing. But here you are going to provide two main or two important things in your TSPSC OTR for the first time. Now you are going to provide your photo, that is valid photo before or 6 months, before or after 6 months, before 6 months, okay, and your signature that should be tallied at the examination time, which are you going to be written. But here the important thing is that the photo size should be of 50 KB or less than it. It should be less than 50 KB, and the signature size should be some 30 KB less than it, okay. After that, you're going to have this thing like choose files. You can choose that thing. Now this is the important thing. For example, if you want some notification alerts of which particular type of jobs, like you have various group jobs, VRO jobs, officers jobs, like that thing. But group jobs will come in plenty, and there is a particularity of other jobs also. So you can press both any job and any groups, you get a notification to your mobile number. Then you enter the I accept the above declaration, as that it shows you that the above information is valid and it is true, and you can subject me to the libel and judiciary activities, okay. Then you can preview your things. If you have missed any things, it shows like you this thing. If not, then you will come and then you need to enter it, and you will get an OTP to the registered mobile number, and you have to enter a captcha code, and thus your OTR will be created. After creating the OTR, you get a TSP ID reference ID, TSPSC reference ID. You get a TSPSC reference ID. That ID you need to be preserved, and you need to remember your birth date. This is how to create for the first time OTR. If you have already created OTR and if you want to make changes, then you are going to edit option. In this edit option, I have previously said you that when you create your OTR for the first time, you get TSPSC reference ID. Please enter that TSPSC reference ID. Then you enter your date of birth. Then you enter your captcha code. After entering your captcha code, submit on it. After submitting on it, you open the same form what we have seen in that thing. You can add or you can make necessary changes for the further application to be filed. Thank you for watching this video.